Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can create a virtual card. And before I proceed, I want to give a disclaimer that this has nothing to do with fraudulent activities. I am only showing you how you can actually test a product or a website. Me particularly, I use this method to test some product or website before I then proceed with the repayment, because I've seen a situation whereby you enter your real debit card details and by the end of the day it will debit you even when you didn't purchase such product. So this is a disclaimer that I'm not trying to promote any fraudulent activities here, but I'm trying to show you how you can actually test a product, test a website before you give them your real debit card data. Now we have to proceed. Let me show you the platform where you can get exactly what you are seeing here, right? Okay, now let's go to Chrome. When you go to your Chrome, you search for NewPay. Okay, newpay.com. I hope you can see it here. You click, then it will load up. So when this site has loaded up, this is how the interface look like. This is the home screen. Then you will make sure that you are on desktop mode. If you are using a mobile device, you tap on this dotted line and you make sure that here you are on desktop mode, as you can see mine, right? So you click on this parallel line here and you will see tools. That's the fourth option here, the tools. You click on the drop down on the tools, then you go to card generation generator validator. I hope you can see that, card generator validator. Then I'll tap on it, and this is where you can generate your card. Right now you can see I've generated a card before here, and this is what you can do. You can easily tap here. You can decide to generate a Visa card, a MasterCard, American Express, China Union Pay, etc. So there are plenty here. Let's just, for the sake of this video, let's generate a MasterCard. Immediately you enter MasterCard here, you now click on generate. Take note of the number that entered this one. So this one is 8089. Now we are going to generate another one that is different. So you click on generate, and I hope you can see that. So this is 9634. So all you do is you screenshot it or you save it in your device, and whenever you want to make any testing in some website, I can't start to mention plenty of them. There are websites that when you go out there, for you to have access to the site, they will ask you to enter your credit card in order for you to access the platform, and at the end of the month you are going to pay. So this is where virtual card comes in. You can use your virtual card to enter your details while you test the website, and you can now decide to either make payment or not. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, please give us a subscribe, like, share as much as you can. Thank you, and see you on the next one.